Six Flags Over Texas put the final track piece on Tormenta Rampaging Run's layout, finishing out the turn into the brake run. Let's head over to the park to get a closer look at this 309-foot-tall Giga Dive Coaster opening later this year. This is insane that this got done this quick. The cutback is crazy, and just look at that clearance between the first drop and that last turn into the brakes. It looks so cool. I cannot wait for this to finally open up and finally even just start testing. It's going to be awesome to see. With 0.5, you're able to get all 3 Immelmans in one shot. I'm not really sure what happened with this clip, but the audio decided just to not work. So it's crazy to see how much Tormenta looms over Spain. It just takes over everything. And once I pan over to it, you're able to see that there is pink markings on the ground that say saw cut. So I'm assuming that this whole entire pathway, part of the pathway, will be cut, including this planter for the new entrance. As I was heading over to where the new Spain entrance will be, I stopped into El Mercado to take a look at some of the new merchandise the park has to offer. First off, we have this brand new triple threat design with Texas Giant, Titan, and Tormenta all on the front of the shirt. This is an incredible design. It looks awesome. We have this brand new Titan shirt that is being offered pretty much all over the park. We have a brand new Tormenta, really colorful design, and we have some brand new 65th anniversary merchandise with tank tops, shirts, hoodies, cups, pretty much anything you'd ever want with that design on it. It is looking incredible, and the park is seriously stepping up their merchandise game. As you guys can see, the park has put the missing track piece from the turn out of the station in to complete the layout. They put that in, I believe, right after they had put in the turn into the brake run, and the station, as you can see, is also framed out. There's a better view of that. This is still so genuinely insane to me how much this just takes over this area of the park. It's so different, even though I've seen the drop and stuff up since, like, who knows, like December, but it's still crazy. As you guys can see, they are working on the light package. There's some light under the mid-course. You can see some lights on those supports in the middle of the screen. But yeah, it's looking nice. This is actually my first time getting evac'd off a Titan. I was getting evac'd, I had been evac'd off a Giant a while back, but this is kind of crazy. Seeing that outage happen was wild. Yeah. Thank you, Sergeant. As you guys are kind of able to see, they have gotten at least some of the light package up and running, so that is really exciting. I'm glad that they were able to do that right as they put the last track piece on. It really looks incredible. You guys can kind of see some of the nice blue purplish lighting here, lighting up Tormenta Rampaging Run. That cutback is insane, and what's even more insane is the clearance between that drop off the mid-course and the final turn. Even in the animations, you're able to see how close that clearance is. It's gonna be so crazy on ride. What a crazy head chopper. But that is gonna do it for this quick little Tormenta construction update here from Six Flags Over Texas. It is super awesome to see the entire track layout finished, and this brand new lighting package really does look incredible. Getting evacuated off the Titan and seeing a power outage from the park is really super weird. That was such a crazy experience. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait for this thing to open later this season. Have a great rest of your night. See ya.